It's time again for Twin Talk with Shaquille and Shakeem, brought to you by the Sunset Auto family. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's get started. So, which brother has the smoother moves?
We're gonna skip that one. We gonna skip that one.
Alrighty then. How about an easy one? Name the auto dealer that offers exclusive warranty protection for life and oil changes for life.
That's easy. The Sunset Auto family.
Right you are, Shakeem. You'll get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on practically every vehicle in Sunset's huge inventory. It's a Sunset exclusive. Or, to put it another way,
You just get more at Sunset, and 12 do like that.
go to sunsetautofamily.com for about 3,000 vehicles every day. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.